Pips! In the next 5 minutes, matututunan nyo ang pinagkaiba ng AutoCAD LT at AutoCAD. At matututunan nyo rin kung ano ang dapat nyong gamitin depende sa inyong workflow at project. Tara! Alam nyo ba mga AutoPips na ang AutoCAD LT ay para nyo na ring faithful drafting body? It's built-in para sa mga 2D drafting, documentation, and layout work. Limitado nga lang ang functionalities, walang 3D modeling. Pero ang full AutoCAD version, may kasama na siyang toolsets, automation, at hindi lang yan. Meron tayong rendering and scripting pagdating sa full version ng AutoCAD. AutoCAD LT can open and view 3D models. Pero huwag ka mag-alala, because with the full version of AutoCAD, you can view, modify, 2D and 3D models. Alam nyo ba na sa full version ng AutoCAD, that one gives you AutoLisp, APIs, and custom scripts. Kaya ngayon mga ka-AutoPips, natutunan nyo na ang pinagkaiba ng AutoCAD LT at AutoCAD full version. Kaya kung ang workflow mo ay panay 2D drafting, halimbawa na lang floor plans and schematic, you go for AutoCAD LT. Pero kung kailangan mo ng 3D modeling, visualization, rendering, and advanced automation, of course, you go for the full AutoCAD version. Now AutoPips, you know the difference between AutoCAD LT and AutoCAD. Once again, this is Lay, your AutoCAD geek. CAD your way to creativity. See you next time!